My name's Alyssa, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist here at Central Ohio Primary Care. We're gonna walk through a recipe today. It's one of my favorite salads, and it doesn't include lettuce. Instead, the base is actually chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Beans are a very nutrient-dense food. They're a plant protein, and they have a lot of fiber. Protein and fiber work together to give us sustained energy levels and keep us full throughout the day. You can purchase chickpeas either in a can or in a bag. I personally prefer the can because it's an easier way to prepare it versus the bag, which you have to let soak overnight. So if you're gonna buy the canned, all you have to do is open it up, let it rinse, and when you rinse it, you'll see some added bubbles. That's natural from the canning process. And so you just rinse it out until it's gone. Once it's fully rinsed, we're gonna add it to the bowl. Next ingredient is red onion. It's a little bit milder in flavor compared to white or yellow onions, but I like to use this one for the additional pop of color it adds. Then we're gonna add cucumber. You can leave some of the skin on the cucumber. Some people like to peel it off. I say leave it on because it adds some extra fiber. Next ingredient is tomato. You can use any type, and today we're using cherry tomatoes. They are so cute. And I'm gonna cut mine up, but feel free to throw yours in whole. That's the cool thing about cooking, is you have some flexibility to change it up. Next ingredient is garlic. They come in these little bundles, and you'll peel off a clove, peel off the skin before mincing it, and then throw it in. Next, we're gonna throw in parsley. Anytime you use fresh herbs, you wanna make sure you give it a good rinse in cold water and then dry it off in a paper towel. Once it's dried, you'll pick off the leaves and we'll add it to the salad. Time to make the salad dressing. Most salad dressings will combine 3 parts fat to 1 part acid. Our fat source today is gonna be extra virgin olive oil. It's a heart-healthy, unsaturated fat. So I'm gonna combine 3 tablespoons of this, and then our acid we'll be using is the juice from 1 lemon. This will act as a natural preservative as well. Time to shake it up. Time to add it to the salad. As a last garnish, I like to add feta cheese. And now we'll stir it together. Try this recipe at your next potluck and surprise all of your guests with a healthy, tasty, and colorful dish. For more recipes and tips, check out our Pediatric Nutrition tab on the COPC website.